If you're experiencing login issues on Roblox, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. Try opening a web page or another online game to confirm that your connection is stable. Step 2. Verify your username and password. Double check that you're entering the correct username and password. Make sure there are no typos, and remember that passwords are case sensitive. Step 3. Reset your password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, or, if using the app, try reinstalling it to remove any corrupted data. Step 5. Check Roblox server status. Visit the Roblox status page of social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. If you follow these steps and still have trouble logging in, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.